Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install brake rotors on the 2012 Mazda 2. I have a video on how to do the brake pads, so I'll link you to that one. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So first you want to do is take the two bolts off the caliper, and I'll show you how to do that at the end when I'm putting them back on. Then what you want to do is there's two bolts for the bracket, so go ahead and take those two off. Once you've done that, then all you need to do is just slide the bracket off. So just come out, and the brake pads will be kind of in this, in their place, so you don't have to worry about them. And then basically all you need to do is take the rotor off. Since this rotor was on there so long, it was really stuck. So what you can do is you can use a rubber mallet to knock it off. And if it's still stuck, you can use a hammer, but I would be careful if you do that. If you're gonna do that, you want to put like safety glasses on. So you want to bang it and then rotate it, bang it, and then you should be able to work it off. Then everything is in reverse order. So go ahead and take your brake clean and spray both sides of the actual rotor. And this is because they put this coating on the rotors from the factory. That way they don't rust, but it's like a kind of a slimy, sort of smooth type of material, so the brake pads won't grip very well. So that's why you need to use the brake clean to clean it off. Then go in and put the new rotor on, and then put the bracket back on, put the screws back in. Obviously make sure that there's one brake pad on each side. So go ahead and line that up, screw the bracket back in, and then you can put the brake caliper back on. So obviously to take it off, you're going to take the two screws out. So now I'm putting them back in. So line it up with the bracket bolts. Screw the two screws back into the bracket for the caliper, and that's basically it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.